It's bedtime. It's bedtime. Please open your door back up. It's not how good birds act. Open it. Open your cage. Stop. Pirate, stop. Come on. Alex, if you want to go upstairs, come in this cage. You want to come with Mama? Come on. You want to come with Mama? Are you ready for bed? I know, you're pissed off and you're ready for the night. Come on, Alex. Come on. It's bedtime. Alex, go in your cage. It's night time. Can we go night? Alex. Alex. Do you want me to take that off? If you get in your cage, I'll take it off. Go in your cage and I'll take it off. You want me to take it off? To be continued. We'll see if this works. I'll take it off.